ìtẹ̀síwájú ṣáni tí tàwa ọlọ́run ló dé wà láyé yìí ṣe bóun lóhun tó ṣológun ló wà lẹ́ṣà ẹgbẹ́ wa ò ní tú o. alright èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ dókítà Mutiu Táíwò Ọlátìgbòye yìí pírẹsidẹ̀ntì tí a ní èjì rẹ̀ o wíríwírí lójú orogún ó èjì wọ̀rọ̀ lójú mẹ́mẹ́ ẹ̀ Táíwò tí mo sọ bàbá mi tọ́jú Alfulani Dáúdà mi vice president ọ̀tìwáni bàbá mi tọ́jú bàbá mi Dr. Soliu Ishaq Ọlálékan jẹ́
Today I want to quickly explain how to use these four materials. These four materials to treat yourself from what we call akoinarun or kokoro inu eje. Sometimes when you bathe, always scratch yourself. You scratch your body, and sometimes you feel like something is moving inside your blood. Today I want to quickly explain how to use these four materials, this combination, to treat yourself from akoinarun. We call it rashes. Sometimes you scratch your body and you notice some strange, stupid mark on your body. So today I want to quickly explain how to use these four materials, this combination, to cure that sickness. You see, this combination is very, very effective. So the first material is lime orange. Have you seen it? Lime orange. While the second material is ginger. Have you seen it? Ginger. The third material is wonderful cola. Wonderful cola. And the fourth material is chlorophenicol. Have you seen it? Chlorophenicol. You see this wonderful cola, there are many ways to use it. Depend on what you want to use it for. Like now, if you want to use it for hypertension, you are not going to use 3 of this wonderful cola. You are going to use 5, but the method is different from this one I want to explain today. So the one I want to explain today, you are going to use 3 wonderful cola, not 5. Please note, if you want to do it, don't use more than 3 wonderful cola. If you want to use it to treat diabetes, there is a way you can use it. This wonderful cola, there are many ways to use it. It's very, very effective. It's very, very effective. When you combine these 4 materials together, sometimes when you bathe, you scratch your body and those stupid marks come out from your skin. We call that akoinarun. Are you with me? Or kokoro inu eje. You can use this simple method to treat yourself. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tips to help your spiritual life. And if this content or any of my content are very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. So as you see from the title, today I want to quickly explain how to use a wonderful cola, 3 wonderful cola. If you want to do it, please don't use more than 3 wonderful cola. 3 wonderful cola, ginger, chlorophenicol, and lime orange to treat yourself from akoinarun. This is both Africa and black and white combination. So how to do it? You see this wonderful cola, you are going to peel the skin. Are you with me? You are going to peel it. You are going to peel it, and you will you can also use this wonderful kola to cure arthritis, rheumatism. This wonderful kola, you can use it to cure diabetes, you can use it to cure hypertension, you can use it to cure stroke, you can use it to cure. So this is ginger. This is ginger. So you are going to peel it. So after that, you are going to put the wonderful kola inside a 75 cl, like this bottle. This one is okay. You put all the then after that you will add ginger to it. Add ginger to it. Then after that you will add half sachets of chlorophenicol to it. Half sachet. Half. You add half of this. This is 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are going to use 5. Half of it, 5. You are going to use 5. You will you will pour all the powder, all the chlorophenicol powder. You put it inside the wonderful kola and ginger, just like this. Then after that, you are going to add lime orange to it. Original lime orange, undiluted one. You add it to it. So that's all. So you are going to keep it for 3 days to ferment. Keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, please, pregnant woman, stay away from this mixture. You are not allowed to drink it. Please, pregnant woman, stay away from it. So after 3 days, adults, you are going to take 2 spoon for adults, 2 spoon. For children, you are going to take half spoon or 1 spoon. I'm here to share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. You have to keep it for 3 days. Please keep it for 3 days. And pregnant woman, please stay away from it. Don't drink from it, please. This mixture, when you combine this wonderful kola, ginger, and the chlorophenicol and the lime orange, when you combine it together, it works perfectly. It cure rashes and kòkòrò náà jẹ narun. When you bathe, you feel like something is moving in your body system. You scratch your body after bathing and you see some strange mark all over your body. Use this to treat it. Drink it after 3 days. Leave it for 3 days. Please, pregnant woman, stay away from this mixture. Please stay away from. So that is how to do it and that is how to use it. Èyí tí mo bára sọ náà ni bí a ṣe máa ń lo wonderful kola àti ginger àti capsule chlorophenicol, bí a ṣe máa ń lo àti omi ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́ láti fi tọ́jú kòkòrò inú ẹ̀jẹ̀. bóyá ó tẹ́ pé tó bá wẹ̀ tán tó bá ń yún ara tára ẹ bá ń lé bí a ṣe máa ń lò ó òun náà ni mo ṣàlàyé fún wa. Wonderful KOLA yẹn mẹ́ta la máa rà, mẹ́ta òun la máa rà. A máa bó egbò ìkọ́ ara ẹ̀ gé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mo ṣe ṣe yẹn. A máa wá gé kéékèèké, tá bá ti gé kéékèèké, a máa dà sínú òkè bóyá bíi 75 litre, 75 cl a máa dà sínú ẹ̀. A máa wá gé ginger yẹn náà kéékèèké, a máa dà sínú ẹ̀. Ginger yẹn náà à ní jẹ́ kó tóbi jù o. Sáìsì kẹta lè lò náà eléyìí, Wonderful KOLA mẹ́ta náà ni. A máa gé ginger yẹn kéékèèké, a máa dà sínú ẹ̀. Ṣé wàá rí pé ó fẹ́ ní kọ̀ yìí? Tabala sachet kan, half la máa já, a máa tú gbogbo powder, a máa tú sínú ẹ̀. A máa tú omi ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́, a máa tú sí. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé pamọ́. Àmọ́ aláboyún ò gbọdọ̀ lò. Ẹ dákun, aláboyún ò kì í lò. Ọjọ́ mẹ́ta la máa fi gbé pamọ́ kó lè bá toró dáadáa. So after 3 days àgbàlagbà kó máa mu síbí méjì tàbí síbí mẹ́ta, síbí méjì tó, ọmọ kékeré síbí kan tàbí half spoon ni kó máa lò. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, à ń wẹ̀, à ń fi ọwọ́ yún ara, ó máa di ògbàgbé lágbára Ọlọ́run. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ. Èmi náà lọmọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutio láti bóyá ìtàyè màsí wọ́n jẹ́. Tó bá dìgbà mi á tó múrọ̀ mi tuntun yàtọ̀ sí ilé wa. Ẹ máa gbàgbé láti subscribe sí mi tó kí ni kò fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní. Lórí àwọn kọ́mẹ́ntà tí a ti ṣe torí pé èyí tí a ti ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ. Ó dàbọ̀.